No, I'm not allowed to talk about those. But yeah, hello everybody. This is my Scott Spark 2025. Yeah, this is the 2025 colors. It's also the design you can buy at the moment. It's the World Cup edition. SRAM drivetrain, fully flight attendant, RockShox equipped. Fork, shock, you don't see inside. Connected to the SRAM power meter. Then synchronous parts, full carbon synchronous handlebar, synchronous saddle, RockShox dropper post. Then Maxxis tires with some synchronous wheels, HD pedals, then Topic bottle cage holder, Camelback bottle, and a Garmin computer. No, I'm not allowed to talk about those, but go out and get one of those.